Are you experiencing slow initial queries with your Neo4j database after starting your Spring application? You're not alone. Today, we're going to explore how to warm up your Neo4j database for faster performance. I totally get it. Waiting 4 to 5 seconds for that first query can feel like an eternity, especially when you're eager to get to work. Many developers face this issue, and it's a common concern in the Neo4j community. Here's the situation we're addressing. A user has a Neo4j database with nearly 500,000 nodes. They notice that the first query after starting their Spring application takes several seconds. They want to know how to warm up the database to speed up subsequent queries. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So, what could be causing this delay? When your Spring application initializes, it may not fully load the Neo4j database, leading to slower query responses. Understanding this is key to finding a solution. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid strategy to warm up your Neo4j database and improve performance. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. To correctly warm up the Neo4j database after the Spring application has fully initialized, the user should ensure that the database is ready to accept queries. This can be done by implementing a listener that waits for the application context to be fully refreshed. Next, the user should modify the existing listener to include a delay or a check to confirm that the Neo4j database is fully initialized before executing any queries. This can help avoid issues where the database is not ready. Now, the user can replace the warm-up function with a real query that retrieves a significant number of nodes. This will help to cache the nodes effectively and improve the performance of subsequent queries. Finally, the user should log the results of the query to confirm that the nodes are being cached correctly. This will provide feedback on the warm-up process and help identify any issues. Fun fact, Neo4j is designed to handle large datasets efficiently, but even the best systems need a little warm-up to perform at their peak. It's like stretching before a workout. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach discovered by a user involves removing the application listener and instead creating a service class. They auto-wired the warm-up method directly, which allowed it to execute after Spring initialization, successfully warming up the Neo4j database. Here's a pro tip. Always test your warm-up queries in a development environment before deploying them in production. This way you can fine-tune them for optimal performance. And there you have it. By implementing these strategies, your Neo4j database should respond much faster after initialization. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.